What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back with another mall unboxing and review video. This time we have the GeminiJets Cargolux 747 freighter with the retro livery. Really excited to have this model. Took me a while to pick this up, but I finally just decided to get it. Yeah, here's the box. There we go. Phoenix Malls, I believe, did this as well, but I decided to just pick up the GeminiJets version just because that's what I could find. And so there we go. There's information. Let's get right on into it. Looks really nice from what I can tell, so I'm excited. This mold is not bad from GeminiJets. It's pretty good. Their heavy molds are usually pretty good, and when it comes to the 747, it's not bad. This isn't an interactive series, which is nice, because I'm not a fan of their interactive series, in all honesty. I think it's kind of cheap and weird. It's overpriced for what it is in other words. This is really hard to get out of this. Sorry, I keep hitting the camera, guys. Oh my god, it's really stuck in there. There we go. Alright. Alright, here we go. Looking really nice. Alright. Beautiful. Okay. Alright, and here we have it, guys. So, very nice looking aircraft. Quite a interesting retro. It's nothing fancy, but definitely really nice. So here we have it, guys. We'll take a look there, starting at the cockpit windows. Got that kind of black, like a glare shield paint underneath there with the black nose. Looking really nice. This is, what does that say? City of Edelbrook, Luxembourg. Got the little, I guess, the coat of arms there. The main, like the only door there, access door there at the front. Got the Euro flag, European Union flag, NCL there on the gear door, looking really nice. A couple windows up the top there where the crew rest is. Got the antenna, the old Cargolux titles, and then kind of moving along this nice sort of white, red, and silver livery, looking really nice. Got the wings and the engines. Very nice. I believe these are these Pratt & Whitney or Rolls Royce. I believe these are Rolls Royce. I might be wrong though, but looking very nice. The wings good shape and everything. The engines aren't, as far as I can tell, they're not really like tilted up or crazy, and nothing crazy, which is nice. Not rocket ship. Got Cargolux on this outer one here, very nice. And then moving along, the antenna. Winglets there, looking really nice. The logo on the outside, and it's also on the inside. Went to the back, got the upper deck cargo door there, 747-400 ERF, this extended range freighter. Got the this door at the back here actually as well, and then the registration Lima X-ray dash November Charlie Lima. Then the Cargolux and the Cargolux logo on the tail, and this little flag or whatever that is up the top there. It's very nice, very nice looking aircraft. Will spin around on this side. I got the cargo door there, and at the back there with the little bulk door as well. So overall, a very nice aircraft, looking really nice. Take a look at the underneath. Nothing fancy there. So yeah, take a look head on. Very nice, guys. I think GeminiJets has done a good job on this. And that's gonna do it for this this small unboxing review. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for more mall unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. Smash that subscribe button and that like button, and stay tuned for more videos. See you guys in the next one. Take care.